Another dua that we can make is allahumma laka aslamtu wa bika amantu wa alayka tawakkaltu wa ilayka anabtu. O Allah, it is unto you that I surrender myself. I affirm my faith in you, and I put my trust in you, and I turn to you in repentance. Wa bika khasamtu, and with your help I fight my adversaries. Allahumma inni a'udhu bi'izzatika. O Allah, I seek refuge in your might, in your honor. La ilaha illa anta, there is no God but you. I ask you, an tudillani, I ask you to protect me from sending me astray. Ya Allah, do not send me astray. Anta al-hayyu alladhi la yamut, you are the ever-living one who does not die. Wal jinnu wal insu yamutun, and the jinn and men, they will die. You will not die. The jinn and men will die. You are eternal. Now in this dua, what are we doing? We're asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to protect us from what? From sending us astray. Because how often it happens, we hear a person is a born Muslim. They went to Islamic school. They memorized Quran. They used to have a beard. They used to attend all the lectures. They used to do so much da'wah. And then what happened? They said, I don't believe. They now say, I don't believe. Wal-'iyadhu billah. Never ever take Iman for granted. Ask Allah to protect you from going astray. Ask Allah for increase in guidance. Ask Allah to keep you firm on Tawheed, because the person who dies on Tawheed, that person will enter Jannah. And the Prophet ﷺ warned us. He said, do not associate partners with Allah. Any partner with Allah, even if you are cut up or if you are set on fire. Allahumma inna nas'aluka al-afiyah. Meaning even if people physically harm you, forcing you to associate something with Allah, do not do that. Do not associate anything with Allah. No matter what you have to suffer in this. We ask Allah to protect us from tribulations of this world and the next. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us the joy of knowing, understanding His oneness, to grant us the joy of believing in Tawheed. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us all sincerity. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from all forms of shirk. Ameen. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.